BrosTrend AC1200 Ethernet to Wi-Fi Adapter Setup Guide. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to connect a device, like a smart TV, gaming console, or even an older desktop, to Wi-Fi using an Ethernet connection, this video is for you. Today, we'll be walking you through the complete setup guide on how to set up the BrosTrend AC1200 Ethernet to Wi-Fi adapter. It's a quick and easy process, and we'll guide you step by step. This little adapter lets wire-based devices connect to Wi-Fi, without long Ethernet cables or upgrading hardware. Let's get started. What's in the box? First of all, let's have a look inside the box. You'll find the BrosTrend AC1200 Ethernet to Wi-Fi adapter, a USB power cable, a USB wall adapter, a quick start guide. You don't need any software or drivers. Setup takes just a few minutes. 1. Power it up. Plug one end of the USB cable into the provided wall adapter or a USB port of your device, if it has one. As the adapter requires power to operate, it cannot run on Ethernet alone. 2. Connect to your device. Connect other end of the same Ethernet cable to your device, like a smart TV or console. When connected, the LED indicator on the adapter will light up. 3. Connect to the adapter's Wi-Fi. Using your phone, tablet, or computer, connect to the Wi-Fi network named BrosTrend XXX. The exact name and default password are printed on a sticker on the adapter. Connect to that network. In most cases, a setup page will appear automatically. If it doesn't, open a browser and type the IP address 192.168.0.254 in the address bar. 4. Link to your home Wi-Fi. Once you reach the setup page, select your home Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and tap Connect. The adapter will now bridge your Wi-Fi network to your wired device using the Ethernet cable. 5. Test your connection. Once everything's set up, test your connection. Open YouTube, run a speed test, or browse the web on your connected device. You will now have full internet access across the room without any cables around you. Let's have a look at a few troubleshooting tips also, in case you face any glitch during the setup. Troubleshooting tips. If the setup page doesn't load, make sure you're connected to the BrosTrend XXX Wi-Fi on your phone or laptop. Remember, no other internet connection will provide you the access. Double-check your home Wi-Fi password. Remember, this adapter supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Most modern routers offer both. And that's it. You've just given your wired-only device wireless capability in under 5 minutes. If this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides and reviews. Got a question or still facing a glitch? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.